Lights, camera, action.
Everybody now, time to show the whole world what we're all about. We the girls, we the passion, for passion. Ooh, BRATZ, you'll always be there for each other. Ooh, BRATZ, yeah, styling how we feel, talking about best friends. Yeah, together we can do anything. Got a plan, a dream, take a chance and believe, make it real.
I'm gonna start off by moisturizing my face, and I have really dry skin, but that one feels so fresh. Like when you put it on, it feels minty. Like I don't even know how to explain it, but using the okay, let me show you the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, which is definitely my favorite moisturizer right now. You know what, I'll be right back while I fill in my brows. So now I'm gonna prep my eyelids using my handy dandy beauty blender. So I'm gonna take my little mirror, whatever, and I'm just gonna prep my eyelashes. I mean, not my eyelashes, my eyelids. I have waterproof mascara on because I am so lazy to take it off, so let's just ignore that. Let's just pretend I have naturally big and thick lashes, and like these are my natural lashes. Psych. So now I'm gonna set it with some Airspun. So I'm gonna take this ELF palette. It's this beautiful ELF palette, and like I said, I don't have my Morphe, so I don't really have like any like other browns to use. 3:51 a.m. and I'm just showing this because my sister wanted me to show the time. So we're gonna take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I'm gonna take this blue right here, blending it like on the edge. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. So I'm just like starting to pack on like this color as well, this darker blue. That's such a pretty color. Wow. So with this little brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend the top. And then with this one, I'm just gonna blend like the blues. I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and recreate those circles. And then I'm just gonna take, I guess, this to set it. which is like a pointy kind of like fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take that purple shade again. I swear if I spill this all over me.
2 shots of vodka.
So I have these like NYX like loose glitters, and I'm gonna use this to kind of like brighten up the inner corner. And I'm actually going to use this little brush that comes with the ELF eyebrow palette thingy. Oh my god, I'm just covering up the camera. Back in with the purple so we can fade it out a bit. I'm gonna take the really dark blue, and I'm just gonna smoke out my lash line with that. And then I'm gonna take my little Milani like foil shadows, and I'm gonna go ahead and like highlight my inner corner with it, but I'm also gonna like bring it in to the eyelid. So I'm gonna take this like NYC, what is this? The Sparkle Eye Dust. Wait, I haven't even highlighted. Ah! Now I'm taking my eyeliner, my liquid liner. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like respray my face with some Mario Badescu. I'm gonna set it. My favorite, my Fit Me pressed powder. And I'm just gonna go ahead and set. You know what? Before I set this part, I wanted to try out cream contour. I have like this really like dark foundation that I got because it was on clearance, and I was like, you know what? Let's get it so I can try this out. That's too much. I'm just gonna use this little brush. I don't really feel comfortable with that brush because I don't usually do contour with that brush, so I'm just gonna take my regular contour brush and just go ahead and do it with this. Taking this little brush, I'm gonna like contour my nose. So I'm just like wiping some of it off because I put too much. So taking my regular foundation, I'm gonna draw like a line in the middle. Take my beauty blender and I'm just going to take my airspun. So I actually don't have my eyelash glue. Experiment. Let's see if eyelashes stick with mascara. It worked. Oh my god, guys, it actually... Never mind. That's good enough for now. Let's try to get the other one on. It's because eyelashes make such a difference. Yeah, so I'm gonna take a really big risk. And I'm gonna put some like mascara on that end because it's really not sticking. I don't know what else to do with it. And you know what? The whole eyelash just came off. Let's try this again. Although I'm like really trying not to blink right now because I don't want it to like just go pff. I'm gonna dust off all my excess powder. And I think I forgot to set my face, so let me just set it. So for my blush, it's kind of broken, but it still works, so. I've really been feeling the whole like blushed look. I think it's really cute. So yeah, maybe I'm pecking on a lot, but I like it. So for my highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and like set my face first. That way it can be like doughy and my eyelash is literally flying away. So I'm gonna take like this golden, like the Wet n Wild one. It's called Golden Flower Crown. And with my fan brush, so I'm gonna take this like white shade right here and I'm just gonna highlight. Whoa. Whoa. Did I blind you guys? I'm sorry. So now for my lipstick, I am going to use... What should I use? Like a nude. So I'm gonna use this. It's Clueless by ColourPop. This is actually a little bit more pink than I expected it to be. But I guess it's cute or whatever. So I guess this is the final look. I definitely want to do more, like add some mascara and all that, but that's not gonna work out right now because these lashes are killing me. It's 5:42, so I should really be asleep right now. Like, I should be asleep. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some selfies and go to sleep. This is gonna be it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. This is gonna be my first like talk through video to where I actually like talk and not just voice over. So excited.